If your Windows 10 or 11 computer has been randomly freezing, you're not alone. Today, I've got some tips to help you unfreeze the freeze and get your system back on track. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Check for updates. First things first, ensure your system is up to date. Head to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Make sure your Windows and drivers are all up to date. Step 2. Scan for malware. Malware can cause all sorts of issues, including random freezes. Run a full system scan with your antivirus software to make sure your system is clean. Step 3. Adjust power settings. Your power settings might be causing the freezes. Go to Settings, then System, and click on Power and Sleep. Ensure your settings are optimized for your usage and set your computer to high performance. Step 4. Check for disk errors. Disk errors can lead to freezing. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type chkdsk/f to check for and fix disk errors. Step 5. Update drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause freezing. Go to Device Manager, right-click on your devices, and select Update Driver to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Follow these steps, and hopefully, you'll bid farewell to those random freezes on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy computing without the freeze.